In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or connect PayPal to Gumroad. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in your dashboard, what to click, and what to expect during the authorization process so you can start accepting PayPal payments when eligible. First, a quick note on eligibility. Gumroad only offers PayPal Connect in certain countries, and their policies can change. If you don't see any PayPal options in your account, it often means your country isn't currently supported or PayPal support has been removed for your account type. Before spending time troubleshooting, check Gumroad's list of eligible countries and make sure your Gumroad account's country matches where you actually operate. If PayPal isn't offered in your location, the option simply won't appear. If PayPal is available to you, start by logging in to your Gumroad account. Once you're in, head to Settings. Depending on the version of the dashboard you're seeing, the tab you want will be labeled Payments or sometimes Payouts. Don't worry if the label looks slightly different. Both lead to the place where payment methods and connections live. Inside Payments or Payouts, look for a button or section called PayPal Connect. In some layouts, you'll see a prompt asking for your PayPal email address instead. Either way, you're in the right spot. Enter the email address that's tied to your active PayPal account. It needs to match exactly, including any dots or plus tags, because Gumroad will use this information to link and route payments properly. It's also a good idea to make sure your PayPal account is in good standing and able to receive payments in your currency. After entering your email, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the connection. You'll typically be redirected to a secure PayPal window where you sign in and grant Gumroad permission to connect. Read the permission screen so you understand what access is being granted, then confirm. When it's done, you'll be brought back to Gumroad, and you should see a confirmation or a connected status next to PayPal. If you still don't see the PayPal Connect option at all, try a quick refresh, log out and back in, or check from another browser. If it's still missing, that usually confirms that PayPal Connect isn't currently supported for your account or region. In that case, consult Gumroad's Help Center or reach out to their support to verify your eligibility. That's it. If the option appears and you've authorized it, you're connected. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you link PayPal to Gumroad with confidence.